Alok Kumar Rai sir, and under the guidance of Professor Adhish Kumar Tripathi, Head of Department Commerce, and all the other faculty members. It is the privilege of our department that the organizers of the Candlestick Hub took the initiative to educate our students about the stock market. It's my pleasure to welcome Mr. Rohit Singh, ex-student of our department and full-time trainer, and Mr. Gaurav Gupta, BSc final year student of this university, and Mr. Rahul Prakash, ex-student of our department. I welcome all these market experts. To thank Pawan sir, who helped a lot in arranging this workshop. The workshop will cover the basics, the fundamentals, and the technical aspects of the stock market. The course content will include basics of stock market, fundamental analysis as day 1 session, technical analysis as day 2 session, live trading session as day 3 session. I hope these 3-day sessions will give you a lot in terms of theoretical knowledge as well as practical knowledge of the stock market. Now, without taking too much time, I would like to invite Mr. Rohit to carry on with their course content.
लेने के लिए नहीं, अगर वहाँ पर कोई बायर या सेलर एग्री नहीं होगा तो आपका शेयर परचेज या सेल नहीं हो पाएगा उस टाइम पे। तो यहाँ पर जब आपका कंफर्म हो जाता है कि एक्सचेंज पार्टी काउंटर पार्टी पे कि बायर एंड सेलर एग्री है दोनों की, हाँ मैं एग्री
है। करंट लायबिलिटीज लॉन्ग टर्म में जाहिर वहाँ पे साल से ज्यादा होगा, एक 2 साल से ज्यादा हो गया तो लॉन्ग
समझनी है, because if you are not clear with the things then you will not be able to carry on with the technical session, right? तो अगर किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो we are having time in this interactive session. आप पूछ सकते हो, तो एकदम कोई
एक पॉइंट पे ये कम करके चाहिए 217 पे चाहिए। अरे बार में आप बैठ के मार्केट 24 घंटे बैठ के देखोगे नहीं 217 होगा, मैं क्लिक करूंगा एकदम एग्जैक्टली उसी सेकंड पे क्लिक करूंगा 217 पे, ऐसा तो होने वाला है नहीं।
helped you a lot in terms of the theoretical as well as practical knowledge of the stock market. Firstly, I would like to I would also like to mention that the students will also be given the certificates. Okay. Technical analyst Mr. Gaurav Gupta. He is a BSc final year student of University of Lucknow.
Technical analysis for me, understanding candlestick charts was a bit of a hustle, but they made it very easy and very comprehensible for me. I hope I'll be able to use it practically. And today, the concept of stop loss was very new to me, and I think it would help me, in trading.
Students of ours were a really proud moment